It's probably my favorite overall microphone. That's why I use it all the time. So if you want a microphone that you can plug in to anything, this is it. It's featured in the carousel and in chat. The Shure Mv7 USB microphone. I don't know if you've ever seen Joe Rogan podcast. I don't know if you've ever seen any famous podcast. This is the little brother of the microphone they use on those podcasts. That one is the Shure SM7B. This is the little brother of it. And so this particular microphone has a couple cool features which make it different than many other microphones. Number one, it's got two inputs on the back of it. Let me see if I can get a shot back here. See the two inputs on the back of it? It's got USB. So you can plug that into your iPad, your iPhone, your whatever, your laptop, your computer. It's also got XLR. And the XLR can go into a mixer. So you can plug this microphone into anything. It's basically what I'm trying to tell you. For example, I've got mine running into my Rodecaster Pro mixer. Also, you can run both simultaneously. So with this microphone, I actually run it into this computer and I run it into this mixer at the same time. So both the XLR and the USB work at the exact same time, which is great. But wait, there's more. It's a dynamic microphone. So what does that mean? That means this. Check this out. Are you ready? So whenever I'm talking directly into the microphone, it sounds like this. It sounds real good, right? But as soon as I move my head up,
It doesn't sound very loud anymore, does it?
then I move my head down, and then it sounds loud. Then I go to the side, it doesn't sound very loud anymore, does it? Check 1, 2, 3. 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 You see how it eliminates a bunch of the noise when I turn my head to the side? That's it being a dynamic microphone. So why is that good? Why is that bad? That's good if you have a loud space. So if you have an airport next to your house, which is what I have, you want a dynamic microphone. If you have dogs, you want a dynamic microphone. If you have babies, you want a dynamic microphone. Why? Because it helps eliminate the background noise by only capturing what's going into the front of the mic and not capturing anything else. Like right now I have a fan in the back, I have air conditioning going, I have 2 computers, an airport on the other side, and I can hear with my ears, my neighbor is using a weed whacker on the yard next to me. Do y'all hear any of that? Nope. Dynamic microphone. You ever been on that Zoom call? And maybe you have kids? Or a roommate that's making too much noise? Get a dynamic microphone. It'll help eliminate like 80% of that. But wait. There's more. Check out the back of it. It's got a headphone jack in the microphone. So not only can you plug it into anything, USB or XLR, headphone jack. So you can plug headphones directly into this mic. This is it right here. And monitor it in real time. And control it in real time. Pretty cool, right? What do I mean by that? So right here on the top of the microphone, you can choose your mix between listening to the mic. You can mute your mic versus what your volume is going to be in your headphones. All right on top of the mic. And you can do plus and minus volume right here on the top ribbon on the mic. Pretty freaking great, right? Plus you got your headphones plugged into the mic and you can listen to it in real time. Amazing, right? I love it. But wait, there's more. This is the Shure Mv7 app right here. And you can actually change the settings for the microphone in real time. So if I unlock this, I can change the gain on the microphone in real time, the monitor mix, the EQ. I can add a limiter so I don't blow your faces off. Pretty cool. And you can add a compressor on the app as well. Pretty sick. The USB version of the microphone does this. And then once you have all your settings, you just lock it and boomski, you sound good on all your calls. What else do I need to tell you to get to buy you this mic? It's the best overall microphone on the market, and here's the cool thing. You can upgrade it. What do I mean by you can upgrade it? So when you buy this microphone, because it's a USB XLR hybrid microphone, it means that you can plug it in through your USB jack and it'll sound great. But then later on, when you're looking to upgrade your audio setup, you can plug it into a super high-end mixer like I have here, the Rodecaster Pro, and it'll upgrade the sound of the microphone to higher quality through extra processing over time. Meaning that if you buy this mic today and you're only using it USB, you can upgrade the sound later on through more processing, which I love about hybrid XLR plus USB microphones. Shure Mv7, man. It's my #1 recommended mic right now.